Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock home screen layout in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. So at first, if you go to app screen, if you want to add any app on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And you can see you can easily add any app in your home screen. Now if you want to lock your home screen layout, just touch and hold it, and at the bottom you can see settings option, then just tap on settings, and here you can see lock home screen layout. Now just enable this option from here, and it's done. Now your home screen layout has been locked successfully, and now you cannot add or remove any app on the home screen. If you want to remove this app, just touch and hold it, then tap on remove option, and you can see remove option is disabled. Also, you cannot add any app on the home screen. And that is how you can lock home screen layout in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.